I like the Maybelline waterproof liquid eyeliner, and so I'm going to put this on. The next thing I'm going to use is, I like products from Blink. So this is a, a heated lash curler. And before I use these products, I was just going to say to make sure to use them as directed. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes with the curler. And the next product I'm going to use is this is also from Blink. It's a black lash primer. And I'm going to wait 30 seconds in between coats. So I'm going to put 2 coats total of the primer. And then I'm going to use volumizing, extra volumizing mascara, also from Blink. It's kind of faded, but and so before I put it on, I'm going to wait 30 seconds for the primer to dry. And this is tubing mascara, so make sure with tubing mascara you have to make sure to wash it off with warm water. You cannot just wipe it off, because it'll pull out your eyelashes if you try to wipe it off. It's pretty permanent. Until you put warm water on it, it comes off. So I'm gonna put this. I usually try to start from the roots and roll my mascara brush, and then go to the ends of my lashes. Unless it's pulling your eyelashes out. Don't do that.